In this video, we will show you how to use the yoga and Pilates activities on your Garmin watch. We will show you 4 ways to use them, yoga for the first 2 ways, and Pilates for the last 2 ways. But you can use all the 4 ways on both activities. The first way, following an official workout. First, download the official training to your watch. In Garmin Connect, select More. Training and Planning. Workouts. Find a workout. Select your workout or use the filter. For this video, we will choose Sun Salutations. Save to My Workouts. Then, select Send to Device. Select your watch. After syncing with your phone, enter Yoga. Select the 3 dots icon. Training. Workout Library. Select your workout. Here you can preview the workout. Now, go back and select Do Workout. Start the activity. Your watch will show the pose animation and countdown. Follow them and enjoy your yoga. The second way, following a customized workout. First, create a new workout. Select Yoga. Edit each step. Select a step type. Select a pose. Select a duration type. Set the duration. Go back and repeat the setting process. Then, select Save and name the workout. Next, send the workout you created to your watch. Let's use this yoga warm-up for example. Select Send to Device. Select your watch. After syncing with your phone, you can use your customized workout. Follow it and enjoy your yoga. The third way, doing any workout and record the moves manually. On your watch, enter Pilates and start the activity directly. Start your own Pilates workout. By pressing the lap key each time you change a move, you can record each move into your watch. After saving the activity, you can edit the moves in Garmin Connect. This will make your Pilates record more complete. The fourth way, doing any workout and record the entire process as one move. On your watch, enter Pilates and start the activity directly. Start your own Pilates workout and forget the watch. It's a simple way to record your workout without breaking your rhythm. You can also separate the moves in Garmin Connect after saving the activity. And that's it. Thanks for watching.